Where you been? It's been months.
What are you talking about? Where have you been? Nah, it's probably my fault. You're right. I got really busy there for a minute. I had work just picked up. Had a move down to Texas from Florida we had to do, and before that I had to finish renovating our house. So yeah, I took some time off of the trailer. Next two videos though, they're gonna be before and after the trip. Should be putting them out pretty quick because I've got all the filming done for it. Just actually gotta make them. I was able to use the caboose for the move, so that was cool. This first video, this one, is from June through July, is actually the videos I have it from, and then I have work all the way through September, but the camera stand broke, and really I was just trying to get stuff done, so I didn't really film all that much. This video's got walls, floor, subfloor, exterior lighting, keep us legal on the road, made a little wind ramp for the front of the truck cap, make it more aerodynamic, barely, and did some E-track, tie down, stuff like that, everything that is just necessary to take the caboose on her first trip down the road. I ran into my first issue with the floor design because I want to run two pieces vertically along here to be more economical with how I use my wood given the current prices, and 8 foot stops right just before my stud. I didn't really plan for that kind of design, when I was laying down these joists, I just kind of did it 24 inches on center. I framed out where this one couch is going to be and the center here for the bike, but that's pretty much all the thought I put into it. I just put it 24 on center everywhere else, and then framed around my pecs there. But what I wish I had done is planned for where I wanted my sheets to end, so I get it to finish there. Luckily, I had a spare 2x3 that I had ripped down just because I thought I might need it at some point. I'm going to use that to fill in this space right here, so I can still run 2 full sheets from the back forward and have just a third at the front here. There you go, easy as hell. Knocked out like 10 minutes. That was about the only way I figured I could do that. I don't know how else. Came back and trimmed it like 10 times. real quick, I wanted to actually show you this windbreak in a little bit better detail because I didn't take any videos on it. Somebody had said that it might be a good idea to set something like this up because that window is normally the back window on the truck cap, and it shouldn't really be rated to have wind blowing on it constantly. I thought that was a pretty good idea. They might have saved me a lot of heartache. But it was actually my stepmom's idea to do top bit here with a piano hinge. This is like, I don't know, I think it's like 3/16 clear plexiglass from Lowe's. And then got the angle here, just rough measured it with a framing square when this was already just propped up there to make the angle on these blocks. And then they all just have really deep sunk a self-tapper in the tops of all of them going down to the bottom, and they're just pretty much glued down there with a ton of silicone and 2 screws per all the way across. And this thing made the whole trip without breaking, so I think it's good.